Hello everyone, this is Koshey channel and today I'm going to start telling you about Photoshop. In this video, I want to explain what exactly Photoshop is and what it was actually created for. Adobe Photoshop is a graphic editor. You can draw in it, make collages, thumbnails, cut out and edit photos and much more. First of all, I'll explain that graphics can be raster or vector. Raster graphics are graphics where everything is made up of tiny little squares, pixels. In vector graphics, no matter how much you zoom in, you still won't see a single pixel. That's the difference between them. Photoshop is more specialized in raster graphics, but it also has tools for vector graphics. Vector graphics are mainly used in printing, business cards, magazines, newspapers, and so on. And raster graphics are used in photographs. That's exactly what we need. Raster graphics are used for smooth color transitions and a wide range of shades, which is exactly what you find in photographs. Here's an example comparing raster and vector graphics. The concept of raster graphics. You start using it as soon as you create a file in Photoshop. It's at this stage that you need to specify how many pixels your image will consist of. To do this, open the file, then select Create. Next, set the width to 297 and the height to 210. In millimeters, you can change the orientation from vertical to horizontal. For resolution, if we're printing, we should set it to 300 pixels per inch. But if we're just uploading the image to the internet, 72 pixels per inch is enough. Then click Create. A new sheet is created for us, where we can work on our projects. That concludes our lesson.